Myself, Abjit Patel. My USN is 1SB17EC001. My topic is transport layer introduction, transport layer services. Transport layer. The ultimate goal of the transport layer is to provide efficient and reliable and cost-effective service to its user. Normally, processes in the application layer to achieve this goal. The transport layer makes use of the services provided by the network layer. The hardware and or software within the transport layer that does the work is called transport entity, and host 1 and host 2 connected mutually with TPTU. Application or session layer is connected with transport entity with network layer, and application or layer or session layer or transport entity is connected with network layer in host 2. Application layer contains protocols that allows the user to access the network: FTP, HTTP, SMTP, etc. And this one layers are like application, presentation, sessions, transport network, and data link and physical layers. Or does not include application programs such as email, browsers, word processing applications. It is the set of services DNS, FTP, HTTP, and applicable should be able to make use of directly. Although some application functions, protocols contains utilities and network-based services that support email via SMTP, internet access via HTTP, file transfer via FTP, etc. Session layers. First three layers not sufficient for some processes. Session layer establishes coordinate, maintains and terminates conversation, exchanges and synchronization. The interaction among communicating system. Main functions of this layer is dialogue, control and synchronization. Main functions of this layers are allows two systems to enter into a dialogue, keep a track of whose turn it is to transmit. Synchronization, it comes in adds checkpoints, synchronization points into stream of data. And next, transport layer, it contains service point addressing and connection control with regarding connectionless and connection oriented. In service point addressing, the transport layer header must therefore include a address called service point address or port address. It will be port address or point address. Computer often runs several programs at the same time, and connection control comes under the validity of connectionless. Each segment has an individual and delivery to the destination. Connection oriented, first establish a connection with the transport layer at the destination before the packet sent. After all the data packets delivered, then the connection is terminated. A data link layer is responsible for delivery of data from two systems on the same network. Um, Same network, hop or hop or hop to hop delivery. And main functions of this layer are framing and physical addressing and flow control. Framing divides the stream of bits received from network layer into manageable data until called frames. Physical addressing add a header to frame to define the physical address of the source and the destination machines. Flow control. If the receiver is less than rate of at which data are produced in the sender, the few control mechanism to avoid overwhelming the receiver. And here comes across transport layer service, end to end delivery addressing reliable delivery, flow control and multiplexing. Here process to process communication. Transport is a process. Process to process communication is a process of application layer entity running program that uses the service of the transport layer. Host to host communication against process to process communication. Transport layer protocol provides process to process communication, and here one system to another system, it contains processes in both side, and it will be connected via internet. Both are having domain of network layer protocol, and addressing port address numbers in a TCP or IP protocol. An integer identifying a process. Port numbers are integers between 0 to 65,535. TCP or IP has decided to use the universal port number for servers called well-known port numbers. Yes. Uh, Here one system is contains one server is contains application and transport layer, which contain transport contains a destination port number selects the process, and the another system is server contains destination IP address select the server, which both contains the data. Encapsulation and decapsulation. Uh, the transport layer protocol encapsulates and decapsulates messages to send a message from one process to another. The transport layer protocol encapsulates and decapsulates messages. Here, encapsulation and decapsulation connected via logical channel. Both contains application layer and transport layer. And here, client process contains message, and here server process contains message, and payroll packet header in both sides. Multiplexing and demultiplexing. Multiplexing is like many to one. An entity accepts the items from more than one source. Or demultiplexing one to many. An entity delivers items to more than one source. Here, server contains messages in demultiplexer, and here multiplexer is contains messages with application layer and transport layer with packets, which is contains with demultiplexer via packet 3 and packet 1. And here another server is contains message and demultiplexer with which connected to multiplexer with packet 2. And the servers are one client and one server, and another server contains both application layer and transport layer. Flow control and transport layer. In communication at the transport layer, we are dealing with four entities. One is receiver process, on another receiver transport layer, and sender transport layer, and sender process, which is I mean the producer. Sender is having a producer with application layer and transport layer. In transport layer, consumer and producer will be there, and from producer the message will be pushed to consumer or transport layer box, or transport layer the packets are pushed to producer consumer, and that receiver having consumer and producer consumer. The messages or any data comes from the transport layer of packets are pushed to transport layer of another one, or it will be shifted to receiver transport layer. Error control. We need to make transport layer reliable if required by the application. A buffer out of order packets until the missing packets arrive. Here, sender and receiver, which is both side having a transport layer, which contains with packets. If any errors occurs, means it will be notified. And detect and discard corrupted packets. Keep track of lost and discarded packets and resend them. Recognize duplicate packets and discard them. Buffer out of order packets until the missing packets arrive.